hear the riddle.
Here's the riddle. Today, I want you to look.
Look at what?
At this picture. What do you see?
Those are two small, thin feet.
Whom do these small, thin feet belong to?
Come on, that's such an easy riddle.
If it's so easy, what is the answer?
It doesn't belong to us. It probably belongs to a frog.
Frogs don't look like that. They don't have such small, thin feet.
So who has such small feet? Maybe I do. Do I? Do I have such small feet?
Your feet certainly don't look like the feet in the picture.
Certainly not. We know. It's an elephant.
That's the funniest elephant I've ever seen.
Those are really not elephant feet.
So who do they belong to?
Who?
To a bird, of course.
Of course! Those are birds' feet.
A bird. I knew those were birds' feet.
How wonderful. Now we all know who these feet belong to, right?
To a bird.
It's time to go home, guys. Thank you for the riddle, Grandma. Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon.
See you soon.